Have you ever imagined a world where accessing and trusting real-world data became a seamless experience? Well, this is possible, and it's all thanks to the revolutionary power of blockchain technology. Are you curious about how this groundbreaking innovation can reshape your life? And did you know that Chainlink holds the key to unlocking this innovative potential? Now, what is Chainlink? Chainlink, a decentralized network on its own blockchain, introduces a native token called Link. What sets Chainlink apart is the seamless integration of smart contracts with real-world data, creating an ecosystem where trust and reliability reign supreme. In today's fast-paced world, accurate and reliable data is the lifeblood of countless industries. Chainlink steps up to the plate, providing a secure and decentralized solution that bridges the gap between blockchains and the vast realm of real-world information. What is Chainlink? Imagine a world where smart contracts, those self-executing agreements on the blockchain, can interact with the real world. That is where Chainlink comes in, reshaping the way information flows between the blockchain and the outside world. Chainlink is like a decentralized network of oracles connecting on-chain and off-chain data sources. Oracles are like trustworthy messengers, bringing real-world data to the blockchain and enabling smart contracts to access information like stock prices, weather conditions, or video views. Launched in 2017, Chainlink has quickly become a key player in the crypto space. It's not just another project trying to find its place. It's rather a solution that solves a real problem. By providing secure and reliable data to smart contracts, Chainlink brings transparency, efficiency, and most importantly, trust to a wide range of industries. Think of Chainlink as a bridge connecting the booming blockchain industry with the traditional systems that power our economies. It's like building a superhighway where the blockchain-based applications can seamlessly interact with real-world data, therein creating a more efficient and transparent future. And here's the best part of all of this. Chainlink is constantly evolving and expanding beyond Ethereum. It's paving the way for a new era of blockchain adoption where smart contracts can truly impact our daily lives. So if you're an investor, this is great news. Chainlink is not just another token without a purpose. It is a game changer with real-world applications. How does it work? Chainlink works by replacing middlemen in various industries. Picture a real estate agent. Instead of hiring one to show you multiple houses, you can go to a site like Zillow and find your dream home. Similarly, Chainlink eliminates the need for intermediaries. Let's use the example of a travel agent. They act as a go-between, but now we have online platforms that allow us to book flights and accommodations directly. In sports betting, someone oversees the bets and decides who wins, while of course also taking a cut. Chainlink aims to replace these referees by providing a decentralized system that ensures fairness and accuracy. So how does Chainlink do it? Well, imagine a network of computers connected through blockchain technology. These computers, known as nodes, gather data from various sources called APIs. These APIs can include anything from weather reports to stock prices. Chainlink's smart contracts then use this data to trigger actions in the real world. Overall, Chainlink's goal is to provide reliable and tamper-proof data for smart contracts, therefore enabling automation and trust in decentralized applications. By cutting out the middleman and leveraging blockchain technology, Chainlink revolutionizes industries by making them more efficient, more transparent, and accessible to everybody. The oracles and smart contracts. Chainlink's oracle and smart contracts are transforming the way that we obtain and trust data. So how does it all work? Data enters the Chainlink network through node operators, individuals who lock up their money to become trusted data sources. They basically say, ask me anything and I'll provide reliable answers. But why the monetary lockup? Well, if these operators are caught lying, we can seize their money. This ensures their honesty, and here's why they take that risk. They earn money by providing accurate, real-world data to those who need it. It's really a win-win situation. Now let's explore the more technical side. When someone wants data on the blockchain, let's say like the weather, they create a requesting contract, a crucial first step. To make it easier to understand, think of the Chainlink algorithm as it registers the request as an event. Then it sets up a matching smart contract called a Chainlink Service Level Agreement contract. This contract enables access to off-chain data like the weather report from earlier. To summarize, Chainlink's ingenious approach replaces people with code thanks to node operators and smart contracts. They ensure data reliability, they incentivize honesty, and empower users to access real-world information seamlessly. It's like a trust-based marketplace where everyone benefits. The 3 sub-contracts. Let's now jump into the next phase of Chainlink's Service Level Agreement contract, where 3 additional subcontracts come into play: the Reputation contract, the Order Matching contract, and the Aggregating contract. These contracts all work together harmoniously to ensure reliable and accurate data for smart contract execution. Starting with Chainlink's Reputation contract, its role is related to a vigilant evaluator. It meticulously examines the track record and authenticity of oracles, which are the sources of the data. By doing so, it identifies and eliminates unreliable or inaccurate nodes. This contract acts as a trust verifier, ensuring that the data sources we rely on can be trusted. Moving on to the Order Matching contract, envision this as a skilled messenger. It takes the question from the request contract and delivers it to the trustworthy nodes. These nodes then respond with bids, presenting their capability to handle said question. The Order Matching contract diligently scrutinizes these bids and selects the most suitable nodes, both in terms of quantity and expertise, to tackle the query. It's worth noting that Chainlink converts the question from the request contract into a different programming language, enabling it to venture into the real world and retrieve data from the vast expanse of the internet. Lastly, we encounter Chainlink's Aggregating contract, which acts like an impartial judge. This contract possesses the ability to validate data from multiple sources, ensuring the accuracy of the data. To illustrate this, let's imagine an NFL match where 8 different nodes send scores for the game, while another 3 nodes transmit a different score. The Aggregating contract then steps in to examine all the answers and promptly discards the nonsensical ones, the 3 nodes with the different game scores in this case. Furthermore, the Aggregating contract can repeat this validation process for various sources and skillfully reconcile them by taking an average. It is important to note that some answers may not be suitable for averaging, but that falls beyond the scope of this simple explanation. In a nutshell, these contracts work together seamlessly, following a rather simple formula. First, you pay Chainlink to find trustworthy nodes, the reputation contracts. Then you provide them with a question in the hope of finding an answer, order matching contract, and then lastly, Chainlink aggregates all of the data into a single and reliable answer, which is the aggregating contract. This overview provides a clear understanding of how it operates. Chainlink thrives on its unique blockchain and adopts the powerful Link token as its lifeblood. In September of 2017, during Link's initial coin offering, oftentimes seen as ICO, the developer set a maximum supply of 1 billion tokens to be launched. Believe it or not, the price of Chainlink at that time was a mere 11 cents. Fast forward to today and you'll find Link tokens trading between $20 and $30. representing an astounding 20,000% increase from its launch price. That's like watching a humble seedling grow into a massive towering tree. As I speak in this recording, over 464 million Link tokens are circulating in the market, accounting for approximately 46% of the total supply. It is important to note that since the supply of Link tokens is limited, it can be considered non-inflationary. When demand for Link increases, it's likely to drive up the token's price, creating an exciting dynamic for investors. In Chainlink's white paper, it is revealed that 35% of the total Link supply is allocated to individuals who help secure the network and run the all-important oracles. Another 30% is dedicated to the development of the Chainlink blockchain and its ecosystem, while the remaining 35% was made available through public sales events like the ICO. One of the unique aspects of Chainlink is its decentralized nature, allowing users to become node operators themselves. By performing crucial data-related tasks that contribute to the success of the blockchain, these node operators can earn Link tokens. It's as if they become essential cogs in the Chainlink machine, reaping the rewards for their valuable contributions. In summary, Link tokens serve two primary purposes within the Chainlink network. First off, they are used to pay for network services, including the oracles that provide you with valuable data. Secondly, node operators utilize Link tokens as a deposit to ensure their adherence to the rules and maintain the integrity of the system. So there you have it, the tokenomics of Chainlink in a nutshell. The story of Link's journey from humble beginnings to soaring heights is really truly inspiring. We appreciate your time watching this video and hope it has provided you valuable insights about Chainlink. If you like this video, you're in for a treat with another one to help you navigate the complexities of crypto and personal finance.